Are you looking for a ready-for-occupancy condominium unit, pero installment and down payment up to 36 months? This project is for you. Sonora Garden Residences is located along Alabang Zapote Road, Las Piñas City, with direct access to Robinson's Place Mall. For as low as 15,000 monthly, you can own a modern contemporary design unit here at Sonora Garden Residences. And with our family-friendly amenities, you can enjoy the pool complex, children's playground, gazebo and picnic area, basketball court, and many more. And with our relaxing lounge area, and enjoy the resort living with high-speed elevator that can help to prevent congestion during peak hours and enhance building efficiency by reducing travel time for occupants. Sky deck, perfect for unwind and enjoy the 360 view of Cavite area, Laguna de Bay, Manila Bay, and Brackwell. Sky Lounge and soon to open bar with the perfect view of Makati and Taguig area. Welcome home with our 56 square meter 2-bedroom model unit. You have a spacious living area, luxurious dining area, kitchen area, common toilet and bath, bedroom 1, master's bedroom with access to your balcony. And yes, for more details, sample computation, and site viewing assistance, please message us.